So, Liam, hello, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Is it a mad dash panic to try and get everything ready for the show, or are you kind of totally chilled and relaxed about it?
Well, it's the first time I've done anything like this, really. I've got some gear that I've bought quite recently within the last month, and then some gear I've had for about a year, and I'm just trying to work out the best way to perform what I want to perform live. But it's bit nervous, and I've not had a load of time to practice, really.
So a bit of trial by fire.
Because never performed. I mean, I've DJ'd in the past, but I've never done anything like this, like a kind of electronic music open mic thing. Never done that. I've always wanted to make music, not just consume it. So I downloaded FL Studios and just tinkered around with that and started making. And then I've got a couple of Behringer synths, and then recently I've bought some of the Roland Ira compact stuff, which I think is really good. They've got a lot of features within a sort of small box, really. So you can add effects, which I find, with analog gear I'd have to get lots of pedals or stuff like that. So no, I've really enjoyed working with them, and they're very portable. So yeah, I think I toyed with the idea of bringing the RD8 to the night and my MS1 and I've got a little TD3, but I think actually I'm going to keep it simple and bring the Roland gear.
So what are you going to use on the night?
Going to use I've got a T8 beat machine, so that's the Roland drum machine. It's got a drum samples plus a 303, a J6, which is a Roland chord synth, which can do chords and arpeggiators, and then the most recent one I bought is the S1, which is the I guess the digital version of the SH101, which except it's got a few more features, and I really like that. I think the sound that comes out of that is amazing. So those three synths really. I've also got a voice tweaker, but
so are you going to be singing on the night?
No. I mean, I harbor ambitions of singing. I quite like to work with like a rapper, actually, like a vocalist. But I won't be singing. No, I don't think the world's ready for that.
So have you got fixed in your mind the way it's going to go in terms of a set and the songs? Are the songs structured and fully formed, or is it a little bit of an interpretation on the night?
Definitely 3 different drum patterns and definitely 3 different arps, and I'm working on some kind of chords thing or kind of pad thing as well. So we'll see. It's only 15 minutes, so I might just extend. It might just be 2 and just draw it out a bit. We'll see.
So what made the decision to go, okay, I'm going to go for it, I'm going to play live? What was the thing that prompted that?
I actually saw a poster on for the first EMOM night.
Nick will be very happy that the posters work. So he's put so much effort into the posters and going around and pinning them up and putting them in pubs. I'm so happy to hear it's worked.
I was already sort of half thinking, I'd quite like to perform and see how that goes. I'd quite like to work with some other musicians. And then I saw that poster and I thought, oh, okay. And then I watched the videos and I just thought, give it a go and see what happens, really.
Any plans after this? So if you come off stage and go, wow, I want to do that again, what's next?
As I said, I'd like to maybe make some connections if people are open to that at EMOM. Maybe some connections to kind of work. It'd be interesting to work with other people, and I don't know. I would like to work with a vocalist, a singer. That would be nice.
Talk about gear. Any things on the wish list? Anything that you think, that's the next thing I want to check out?
You could go crazy with it, couldn't you? You could take it to the nth degree and spend thousands, and I'm also just need to really get to grips with what I've got, because you can make good music with what I've got. I'm pretty confident with that. So I have to kind of explore everything, I think, first. And yeah, but yeah, a Roland TR-8S would be top on the list at the minute. I think you can achieve great sounds with with a couple of bits of gear that you really love. I think that is definitely possible. You see it all the time as well. I watched Egyptian. Do you remember Egyptian Lover? It's the guy who's 80s, made a lot of electro, and he can make that original Roland drum machine. He can just make it sing, and that's just one piece of kit. So yeah, you can definitely achieve great results with gear that you love, I think.
That's a good quote. We'll use that.
Ow.